And last night, there aren't many places that genuinely take your breath away. But this place, check this out. We're in Pembrokeshire, South Wales. If you put in the Green Bridge, I'll put the what three words here. It's really easy to get to. There's a car park and it gets better and better. This whole area is amazing. This is the Green Bridge of Wales. Oh, people get close to this at these edges and just look at this. So people stand up here and there is nothing. It is literally just waiting to fall in the sea. The sea is smashing into the base of it, eroding it. This place is awesome. This place is fantastic. As I said, it literally took my breath away last night. I'm going to show you the path because you can walk down the Green Bridge, hence the name, Bridge. I'm not sure I'm going to today because it's gusting at about 30 miles an hour. And I'm quite a windsock. So this is the Green Bridge. I've got my good boots on, my Innovates. Look at the caves over there. That is paddleboard heaven. Oh, I feel giddy just being here. It's really eerie because you can feel the waves hitting underneath. You can feel the vibrations coming through the rock. But I'm going to be sensible. It's very wet. It's very slippy. It's very windy. You can't hear it because I've got a dead cat wind reducer on my mic. So as much as I want to do the Green Bridge, I'm going to save that for another day. What, she drove straight through the car park?
Through the car park, straight through there were stones there then, see?
Yeah.
And of course some of the stones went flat. And she went over, in between them she went like, and then she drove all the way. Yow, straight out there.
Jesus Christ.
yeah.
That's a slow death though, isn't it? Because you,
There's a lot of thoughtful goes into that.
but you're not going to die instantly. You're
No.
going to sink in the car.
And I suppose you've got to come and have a look where you're going to go, like. What, crikey, right?
The mind is, when the mind goes bad, it's a dangerous thing, isn't it?
On that note, I'll leave you.
Yeah.
No fun in now.